नमस्कार, सलाम, सत श्री अकाल, good morning. Dear students, welcome to this class of mine. Today, in this class, you will check the level of your vocabulary. As you know, a good vocabulary plays a very important part in the life of that student who wants to qualify one of the highly competitive exams in his life. So, empower yourself with the power of words. The power you gain from the words you learn is an unparalleled one. No one can take that power from you. So always keep learning good words to streamline your vocabulary. In this class, I will give you 10 multiple choice questions. Each multiple choice question will carry a word. It could be a noun or a verb or an adjective. That word will carry its 4 meanings. Out of these 4 meanings, only one meaning will be correct. You will have to think the correct meaning. Before I begin with this class, please subscribe the channel. In the first MCQ, I have selected the noun conundrum. It is being followed by 4 meanings. A. Easiness. B. Brain teaser. C. Humdrum. D. Melodrama. Out of these 4 meanings, one is correct. You will have to guess its correct meaning. Let me tell you its correct meaning. Its correct meaning is B. Brain teaser. Let me make a sentence on this. I have been able to come out of this conundrum after a long period of hard work to succeed. In the second MCQ, the adjective is thick-skinned. It carries 4 meanings here. A. Sensitive. B. Insensitive. C. Scarred skin. D. Hard skin. Only one meaning is correct. Other 3 meanings are wrong. You will have to guess its correct meaning. Its correct meaning is B. Insensitive. Let me use in a sentence. He is so thick-skinned that he won't do any act of charity for the poor. The next is embark. It is being followed by 4 meanings. A. To come down. B. To get out. C. To embrace. D. To set out. Out of these four meanings, one meaning is correct. You will have to guess which meaning is a correct one. D is its correct meaning. To set out. Let me make a sentence on this. The sailors embarked on their maiden sea journey to Port Blair. In the fourth MCQ, there is an adjective non-committal. It carries its four meanings: A. Foolish, B. Lazy, C. Dull, D. Interesting. Out of these four meanings, only one meaning is correct. You will have to think which is its correct meaning. C is its correct meaning, dull. Let me make a sentence using non-committal. The minister's non-committal promises in his speech were compelling people to leave the place with a lot of disappointment. In the fifth MCQ, I have selected the verb imbibe. It carries four meanings here. A. To imitate, B. To imply, C. To make vibes, D. To consume. Out of these four meanings, one meaning is correct. You will have to guess which is its correct meaning. Its correct meaning is D. To consume. To consume. Let me use this verb imbibe in a sentence of my own. People must imbibe in them the age-old moral values which seem to be missing today. In the sixth MCQ, there is an adjective voluble. It carries four meanings here. A. Tongue tied, B. Oversized, C. Undersized, D. Valuable. Now you will have to guess which is its correct meaning. My dear students, none is correct. No meaning is correct. All the meanings given here are wrong. Wrong. Its correct meaning is talkative. Talkative. Let me make a sentence using this adjective voluble. My beloved or beloved is so valuable that I don't get even a second to speak a few lovely words to her. In the 7th MCQ, it is overwrought. It carries 4 meanings. A, overworked, or you can say agitated also. B, overpowering. C, overflowing. D, emotionless. You will have to guess which is its correct meaning. Its correct meaning is A, overworked. I gave you a hint also, agitated. He could not continue his official responsibilities because he was feeling overwrought due to enormous amount of work on his table. There is another adjective, monumental. It carries 4 meanings here. A, significant. B, ordinary. C, mortal. D, numeral. You will have to guess which meaning is a correct one. A is its correct meaning, significant. B is its antonym, ordinary. Let me use this adjective, monumental, in my own sentence. Winning this final match against my strong opponent was a monumental task for me. The next is an idiomatic expression, a slap on the wrist. It carries its 4 meanings. A severe rebuke. B, a casual pulse check. C, a knot in the wrist. D, a mild punishment. Out of these 4 meanings, only one is correct. You will have to think which is its correct meaning. Its correct meaning is D, a mild punishment. Let me make a sentence using this idiomatic expression. Despite a heinous crime by him, he got a slap on his wrist. In the last MCQ, that is the 10th one, there is a proverb, don't run before you walk. It carries its 4 meanings. A, try to do hard work before you start running fast. B, try never to look back when you are running. C, try to learn the basics before making efforts to do more advanced. D, try to run faster than before lest you should lag behind. Out of these 4 meanings, only one meaning is correct. You will have to think which is its correct meaning. C is its correct meaning. Try to learn the basics before making efforts to do more advanced. Let me make a sentence using this proverb. To achieve the aim of becoming a good professional singer, you don't have to run before you walk. Dear students, you must have definitely found this video useful for you. Simultaneously, you might have been able to assess yourselves what level of vocabulary you have in you. My only suggestion to you that you must have a strong vocabulary if you want to achieve high ambitions in your life. Please do like and share this video. Don't forget to click the button subscribe, press the bell icon on all to get updates. God bless you all.